everybody to our show. This is Custom Fab Garage on our channel Octane TV on YouTube. Make sure you go down below and hit that subscribe button, and on top of that, make sure that you hit the notification bell so that you can get all the new content that comes out weekly and even every day. Taillights, we're going to go ahead and tint those. Beavis is going to go ahead and take the taillights out. This is the film we're going to be using, which is Luxe, L-U-X-E. This is the lightest smoke that they have. And it is definitely very dark. People order the mid and the dark, and I mean, it'll black you out. It'll still allow the light to come through, but this, in my opinion, is the best to smoke them out, but not kill your light output. It'll still be the same. So if you use the mid or the dark, it does cut down on the light output, but it does look black. I mean, it's like black as black. So this is what I'd recommend. This is the light from the Luxe, L-U-X-E. I'll put a link down in the description below. We're gonna be wrapping both these taillights right now. What we're gonna do is we're gonna use this spray-away glass cleaner. It's the foaming kind. And we're gonna take our microfiber. We're gonna clean the taillight all around all the cracks at the bottom, all around the cracks on the side and the top. You wanna make sure you get all the overhang really good and clean it with this. I used to clean taillights with rubbing alcohol. I stopped doing that because I saw on a lot of forums and pages and Facebook pages that people were using rubbing alcohol on the plastic of the lights, and it was actually causing them to get brittle and crack. So I stopped using that and just started using only the spray-away glass cleaner. So little recommendation I would tell everybody, seeing from other people's mistakes, I would probably stop using rubbing alcohol to clean off the taillights, only because I've heard rumors and I've seen it that where plastic will get brittle and it will crack and break. Template here to basically go on here and mimic it. So we're gonna go ahead and start removing the backing paper and then get it attached onto here so that we can start pulling everything and get it shaped. So we're gonna start with our flat area first, and we're gonna heat up and pull all the way around. So we've got this kind of like tacked into here. I haven't heated it up yet, but we're gonna heat this and kind of pull it around. Good. Let me switch it. All right, so we went ahead and heated up every single thing on this. You wanna make sure every single part of this is heated up, especially around the edges. You wanna throw heat real good all the way around before you trim, because you don't wanna trim and then it all to come back up. The gloss on the Luxe, the L-U-X-E, is probably one of the best in the industry I've ever seen. So it literally looks like the taillight is cleared. So you can't really beat this by far. And then we're gonna go ahead and take our knife and we're gonna trim all around this edge, and then heat everything up again. Here's what it looks like with the lights on.